Hello everyone, so welcome to the first video of this channel. In this video I will do a quick review of a very cheap battery scanner. It will cost less than 50 bucks. It is a good tool to check the battery health of your car to not get stranded. So this can check the cold cranking amps, can check the resistance, voltage, state of cycles and state of health. I will test this on 3 different batteries and we can see the difference. So the first battery that we're gonna test, it's a very old one. As you can see here, I have marked the date when I have bought it, and it's from 2018. So the first thing to do is to connect the red wire to the positive pole of the battery, and the negative one connect the black wire, and we can see here this will start. So we can see here 6 volt, 12 volts and 24 volts, so this will work for all of them, and we will select the 12 volts in this case. Now for this you will have to put the cold cranking amps that the battery has. So usually that sits on top of the battery or in the side. In this case it's in the top, 680. This is CCA, that stands for cold cranking amps. So in this case we will select the 680. After that, simply click OK. Let it run for a few seconds. So as you can see here, this is pretty bad. From 680, this has only 3 cold cranking amps. With the arrow we can navigate to the state of health, which is 0%. It's pretty bad. State of cycles as well is 0%. The resistance and the voltage. And at the bottom you can see the battery condition, which is poor. This is a very old battery, and it cannot be used anymore for anything. So the second battery that we're gonna test, it's again a 12 volt battery, but it's a little bit smaller. It is with 470 cold cranking amps. So let's connect the tester to this one. So black wire to the negative and the red wire to the positive, and the tool will turn up. So select again for the 12 volts and select the right cold cranking amps, which is 470, and simply press OK. So from 470 cold cranking amps, this only has 170. If we check here, state of health, it's 13%. State of charge, it's 80%. The resistance and the voltage, which is a little bit more than 12 volts, and the condition as well, it's poor. Now I replaced this battery a few months ago, so it is low on cold cranking amps. It can be good for running lights maybe or some other things, but to start the car it can start like 2 or 3 times, like start and stop, and after that it will let you strand. So better thing in this case is just to replace the battery. So the third battery that we're gonna test, it's the one in my daily driver. So let's connect the tool. And again select the voltage. This one is the same as the first one. It's with 680 cold cranking amps, so select that. And press OK. So as we can see, the difference between the other two batteries, it's major. So we can see cold cranking amps, which is 581 from 680. The battery health is good. The state of health is 75%, state of cycles 98%, and the resistance and the voltage as well. So from all of the three batteries that we tested today, only this one it's in a good condition. So this is it, guys. I think this is a very good tool to have, and very cheap as well. So with this you will know when is the good time to replace the battery. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing for more content like this, like tools reviews, car fixes, and car modification tips and tricks as well. Thank you for watching.